Not my story. It's a book. Ah, okay. So I know, yeah, you read a lot of books. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't know all about that because I don't read books, okay? I really don't read books. So, um, that's not me, I guess. That's not me. Okay, Dwayne, you can delete that word drugs and I will delete it. I will just delete that, okay? I don't want to get in trouble by YouTube. How come I don't see? How come? Oh, okay. I'm gonna delete yours. Okay. I'm deleting it, guys. Bugnaw? Na. Pila ka bok? Ha? Dili, cash. Tanaw sa nako ha pila na narba tin palit. Ha? Ana, di ba?
Sila ang isa?
15.
20?
Hmm. Hmm?
Baik. Yan daw sila.
Okay.
Ito naman lang.
Kaluoy di ay. I can show you the world. Trembling to healing and the magic points to view the whole new world and your fantastic points of view. No one. Ay. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Refilling the. I'm refilling the. What's that? The red horse. I'm refilling the red horse. Okay. Refill. We are refilling the red horse. So how's business? Balser Kisa, hello, shout out. Good morning, beautiful Manay. How are you? Balser Kisa, hello. They will roll me into. I haven't seen your store in a while. Oh, you haven't seen? Now you see. Okay? Now you see my store. I'm wiping with horse, guys.